Welcome back to video 2 out of 4. This one, it is going to be a golden color palette again. I did not really film the materials that I've used nor the color mixing itself, because this is the second video out of the series, and if you did not see the first one, which was the black long canvas, just have a look at this one and here we see the paints that I am using. For this pour I just mixed two different kinds of gold, which is a regular acrylic gold one and an acrylic metallic gold. Other than these two colors I just used the white and the black, which I already used for my first video pour. Nothing really special technique wise, I just did not really want to paint the outside borders of the canvas with blank white or black this time, because I had a feeling it was not really necessary in the first pour. So I just did not do it this time and just poured the color right onto the canvas. I tilted the canvas as we usually do when we do dirty pours and basically just wait what happens. Hoped for some more gold probably. The gold itself did not really show up as much as I hoped to, although it was quite a lot of gold paint that I have poured into my pouring cup. But I did not really want to tilt the canvas so much more to stretch the colors around or to make even thinner layers of paint, because cells were already forming and in a way already deforming. So if I would have tilted too much, I would have gotten these strange stretched cells which I get in the very first pour, which looked great there, but which I didn't really want to have again here. So I just let it be as it was. I just used my torch to bring up some more cells. And after that I used my gold leaf. I did not really use the gold leaf on the very first pour in the beginning, at least I did not film it. I decided to add some of the silver leaf once I already put it aside to let it dry, after I added the gold leaf on this one, because I felt it might look cool, so I just grabbed it and put it on off camera. The gold leaf itself here you can see me putting on, which I just crumble between my fingers and let it fall or rinse under it. I don't have any pattern, I just let it fall where it falls, and in areas where I think it needs a bit more gold I just use some more gold. It doesn't really need so much, so I do not really want to overdo it with the gold leaf, but it in a way gives it a different effect than just glitter does. And it gives it a bit of texture as well when it dries, because the gold leaf always stays on top of the paint itself. And yeah, basically that's everything that I did for this project, which is number 2. And let's see what the end result looks like. And here we go with the final result of the golden pour. As usual, I really love the golden color palette. I hope you do too. This is the result. It also cracked a bit like the black one, because of the same reasons. The paint was drying too quickly because of the sun shining onto it. But here as well, it isn't really disturbing, it isn't really noticeable from distance. It's just when you're very close that you can see that the paint is cracked a bit, but not badly at all. The gold is quite cool. I hope you can see it when I tilt the picture here. I really love this gold leaf attached to the canvas. What do you think? Your comments please below in the comment box as usual. Also, if you have any questions, just let me know. If you have any color palette wishes that you want me to try, just let me know as well. And yeah, this is project number 2, and now I added below project number 1, you can see it here. And this is how both of them look together. So as usual, I hope you liked it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and if you've not done already, please subscribe to my channel and help me grow. I think I'm going to put these on Etsy once the entire project series is completed, if anyone wants to adopt one or more of these. All my materials are linked in the description box below. As some of you always ask what paints and stuff I use, it's all linked below. And yeah, thank you again for watching. I hope to see you in my next video and have a great day. Bye bye.